Alright, we got the little Toyota 4x4 coming in on its first test voyage. Getting ready to drop down into Death Valley there, just got past Torona. So just want to give you a little view before the dust kicked up too much. Alright, so we just stopped here at the entrance to Marble Canyon and Cottonwood Canyon. Just kind of show you, this is a little site here you could use, get a trailer into without too much difficulty. What is it that they say in the Bible? If you can take a trailer, it ain't four-wheeling. I'll tell you what, this little trailer's getting it. Nice, we got some shade here in the afternoon, cooled down a little bit. It's a little foot trail here at the top of Cottonwood Canyon. We didn't expect to see any cottonwoods, but there is a little outcropping of them up here, so kind of a nice treat for all the driving we did.